love and your light.
Yeah, Demi Lovato, who made a few guest appearances on Glee, also asked fans to pray that Naya is found safe and sound. This is yet another tragedy for the Glee cast. They've been through a lot through the past few years, and we are just all hoping that Naya is found soon.
This is 100%. So tough for that entire cast, losing, potentially losing another castmate. It's just unfortunate, and we're praying for the family, we're praying for the castmates, we're praying for everyone close and connected to Naya, that they find her hopefully safe and sound.